Alright, I just wanted to show you guys, I had a fun moment, a little bit of a fun game the other day in Tribes. So here I am coming in to get the flag, and I just missed it, which was doing a lot actually, it was really pissing me off, but look how high you fly, and look how far you can shoot. Coming back in, got the flag, flying back towards my base, turn around midair to take some shots, and they're shooting at me, and they just, they're pretty close actually, with those bullets, almost got me a couple times. And I missed the capture, but I turn around and get it, because I got a grappling hook, and grappling hooks are awesome. That's why this Tribes is better than, I'm sorry to say it guys, it's better than the rest of the Tribes because it's got a grappling hook. It really is. Because you build up so much speed across the map, and then you just lose it all if you can't turn around. Alright, this was the highlight of the game for me. So, you click the grappling hook on there, and it helps you launch, because it's a bit of a rubber band. Then you hit your energy pack to give you even more boost. You fly into the enemy base, and you shoot bombs and stuff, and grab the flag. And I had such a good shot. See, I hit him in midair from so far away. Then oh, do you see how close that was? I almost had him. Guys, I figured out why my shot didn't hit. Look in slow motion. So I throw this grenade out. You can see it come from the left. Okay, see that first shot almost hits. It's a little high. And then I throw this grenade. Okay, you can see it coming from the left. And then I shoot a next shot. And it's going straight for him. It looks like it hits him, but it actually hit my grenade in midair. And I think that's why I didn't hit him with that shot. I think I would have hit him with that shot. And see, that one was too far left. But I'm terrible at this game. Like, honestly, it's such a hard game. And because I'll just show it to you one more time. See, the grenade comes out. And I shoot. And you can see the disc explodes in the air. And it didn't hit him. Because it hit something else in the air. And honestly, I felt robbed because I thought that shot was going to hit, and it probably was going to. And, oh, did you see that shot? That was probably my best shot of the whole game. You can look up other highlights of other people, and they're way better than me, but as far as my skill goes, oh, bam, see grenade right to the face. And you see the disc coming in for the follow-up. Just missed him. I almost had a double.
Imperial flag
anyway,
stolen.
I just wanted to show you that because that's as good as I can get, basically. I wanted to show you guys how good, my best. That's my very best. I want to show you guys my very best. And it's so much fun. But I also want to show you guys how much fun this can be. It's the fastest paced, most action-packed, most precision game that I've ever played. The only thing that could make it better is if they could increase the view distance of the fog. And they can't do that unless you have the source code. So you have to, you guys, everybody needs to work on convincing Hi-Rez or whoever has the source code
Imperial flag stolen.
to delve into it, fix this, and make a proper remaster of this with a longer view distance, because the graphics are actually not even bad for modern standards. But anyway, let me show you how to set up the game and how to tell when people are online and how to join and stuff real quick. Okay, so for those who don't know, Tribes Vengeance is free to download, free to play. It's a free game. You can download it for free and play. It's really fun. Please download it and play with us. It's one of the best games ever made. It's so awesome. So you can either do a search for Tribes Revengeance, which is what the community pack is called, or you can just go to tribesrevengeance.net. So if you search Tribes Revengeance, first result is tribesrevengeance.net. Go there. You click this, download Tribes Vengeance. And it downloads your zip there. It's 4.3 gigabytes, so it's kind of a large file. Make sure you got some space. I'm going to cancel it since I already have it. You just unzip it, you install it, you right-click the exe, run as administrator, and click yes when it asks you about your graphics. After you've got that downloaded and installed, you can go to the stats page. And on the stats page, it'll show you if players are online. So if anybody's online, you'll know, so you can join. And also, let's go back. There's also a Discord button. It'll take you to the Discord page, which is actually the best way to know when players are online because they'll ping you right on your phone. And this is the message I saw pop up on my phone the other day. I saw this little message. It said, "Hello, I announced that there is 4 Shazbots playing right now. That is all." So I saw that message. I joined the game, and I had a really fun time, as you could see in the recording earlier. And it's even more fun if there's more people, guys. There's vehicles, you can fly, like there's so much stuff you can do. It's so much fun. And this Discord is good to be a part of because there's all sorts of like custom resolution, how to set different stuff to work better than stock and all those things like that. So yeah, join the Tribes Revengeance Discord. This is how you set your resolution on launch. tvcd.tvcddvd.ini has all sorts of configurable settings you can set. That's how you add custom resolutions if you have like a really high resolution monitor. One of the nice things about Tribes Revengeance is there's no limit on the field of view, so you can get one of those new, like super ridiculous 34-inch widescreen monitors, and you can actually set the field of view so it looks good and it actually utilizes the whole screen. And it's actually the only game I know of that you can do that. Usually you can't set the field of view high enough to take advantage of a screen that wide, but when you get a screen that wide, the point is normally a small field of view allows you to see what's directly in front of you. I should actually show you instead of explaining it. It's easy to the things that are directly in front of you look bigger and they're easier to aim at and shoot at with a small field of view, but you can't see around the side of you as much. And with a large field of view, you can look all the way around you. You have a huge peripheral vision, but it makes everything in front of you look zoomed out and far away. Well, with these gigantic, ridiculous 34-inch monitors they sell now, I tried this at my friend's a couple years ago and it worked. You can set the field of view really high in Tribes, but because the monitor is so wide, it doesn't stretch everything to look tiny in the middle, so everything in the middle of the screen is still big and easy to see and easy to shoot at, but you also get the super wide peripheral vision at the same time, so it's the best of both worlds. And I wish all shooters let you do that because it's so nice. Like, it actually fills your peripheral vision with real useful peripheral vision, and at the same time, things in front of you are large and easy to see. It's amazing. Anyway, hope to see you guys online. Go ahead and download the game.